How to see your TikTok watch history or how to view your TikTok watched videos history. Now, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see or view your watched videos on TikTok or how you can see your TikTok watch history. Now it's quite simple and quite easy. First, what you want to do is open up the TikTok app and make sure you are logged into your account. Head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see the profile icon right there. Once here, what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon that you can find at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it and head into settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, if you scroll down under content and display, the third option you can see right there, comment and watch history. Tap on it and you'll get two options, watch history and comment history. Now to view a watch history, simply tap on watch history and you can see all your watched videos, or you can see your TikTok watch history right here. So this way you can see TikTok watch history. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.